We're putting up some new fabrics today for the sew along, and they're just all perfect. They're all 4014 is our dress, and they all work really well for that. This is a beautiful lavender velvet. It has stretch in both directions. Slight, not a lot, like couldn't do leggings, but it's really pretty. We're doing all these fabrics, by the way, at $10 today and tomorrow. This is almost 100% cotton. It's got a little bit of poly in it, but it's a pink striated with black. It's just really beautiful. Great drape, really pretty fabric. This is 100% cotton. Beautiful red. I think that'd be such a pretty little summer dress. That red cotton, stretch in both directions. Sorry about that. Isn't that pretty? It's lovely. Then this is a kind of like an ITY. It's a poly cotton, but it's an ITY. Great drape. Would just be really slimming in that dress. Just oh, lovely, lovely. So that's what I did. I picked out all these fabrics that I thought would be really pretty in this dress. This is stripes, and I think you could do a really interesting thing with stripes. You could put some things on the stripe and some things not on the stripe. You'll see today I used a fabric with a stripe in it, not as stripy as this, but I just think it'd be really fun to play with. This is a cotton poly blend and just really pretty drape again. This is that raised, it's another one of those raised fabrics. It's a floral, it's just really pretty. I don't know how they're doing that, but this is a cotton poly blend. It has stretch in one direction. Again, really pretty. Perfect all for 4014 that we're sewing today, and all at $10 a yard. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.